Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are good. Welcome to the class of physics. Don't worry, today we are not going to study new topic, but instead of that we'll do revision, and in that we'll play a quiz. Timing will be vary according to the question. So after each question, I will tell you the timing to give answer. So are you ready for that? Let's begin. First question, the pressure which is exerted by air around us is known as A. Force, B. Atmospheric pressure, C. Muscular force, and D. Friction. And you are having 3 seconds to answer this question. Your time starts now. 3, 2, time up. Yes, what's the correct answer? It is atmospheric pressure. Let's begin with the next one. A container, here you can see the container. A container is filled with water as shown in the given figure. Which of the following statement is correct about the pressure of water? Here they have given 3 points A, B and C. You have to give statement for the pressure. So first is pressure at A means pressure at point A is greater than B is greater than C. Then second option is that at each and every point the pressure is equal. Then C, pressure at A is less than is pressure at B and greater than pressure at C. And D, pressure at A is less than pressure at B is less than pressure at C. To answer this question, you are having 10 seconds. Your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 2, 1, time up. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, so let's check what the correct answer is. So the correct answer is yes, D. Let's move with the next one. A blank exerted by an object on another is a force. A. Push or pull. B. Contact or non-contact force. C. Pressure. And D. Magnitude. You are having 3 seconds to answer this question and your time starts now. Time up. Yes, what's the correct answer? A push or pull exerted by an object on the another object is called a force. Next, the force exerted by the earth to pull the object toward itself is called A. Electrostatic force, B. Gravitational force, C. Muscular force, and D. Contact force. You are having 5 seconds to answer this question. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 2, time up. Yes, what's the correct answer? The correct answer is gravitational force. Begin with next. 1 kilogram weight is equal to 98 Newton, 9.8 Newton, 0.98 and 0.098. You are having 5 seconds to answer this question and your time begins. 3, 2, time up. Yes, what's the correct answer? The correct answer is 9.8 Newton. Moving with next. Two boys A and B are applying force on a block. If the block moves toward the boy A, then which one of the following statement is correct? A. Magnitude of force applied by A is greater than that of B. Magnitude of force applied by A is smaller than that of B. Net force on the block is towards B. Magnitude of force applied by A is equal to B. You are having 15 seconds to answer this question. Your time starts now. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, time up. What's the correct answer? The correct answer is magnitude of force applied by A is greater than B. Next one. When two forces act in opposite direction, the net force acting is the sum of two forces, difference between two forces, both of this and none of this. You are having 5 seconds to answer this question and your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, time up. Yes, what's the correct answer? They are applying the force in opposite direction. Hence, the net force will be the difference between two forces. Right? Let's begin with the next one. If in a tug of war, when two teams are pulling a rope, you all just love to play this game, right? Tug of war. When two teams are pulling a rope and the rope does not move toward any team, यानी rope कोई भी team की तरफ नहीं move हो रहा है, then it implies that A. Equal force is being applied in the same direction. Equal force is being applied in the opposite direction. No force is applied in any direction and cannot be explained. So the correct answer is, you are having 10 seconds to answer this question. So the correct answer is, let's see, can you give answer? Yes, the correct answer is equal force is being applied in opposite direction. Means in opposite direction, if you will apply equal amount of force, then the object will not move. Right? Let's begin with the next. We blank the bucket to take out water from well. Here you have to fill the blank. You are having 10 seconds to answer this question. We blank the bucket to take out water from well. Your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, time up. Yes, we pull the bucket to take out the water from well. Next, force has blank as well as direction. यानी force के पास direction के साथ साथ और क्या है? You are having 10 seconds to think about this and your time begins. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, time up. Force has magnitude as well as direction. So we are stopping here. I hope you have enjoyed this, and surely you will tell me your marks in the comment section. Okay? Thank you. Have a great day.